Coolant is a really important fluid to ensure that it is topped up in your car. But how do you top it up? Your vehicle's coolant should be easy to identify by its coloured lid, which often has a warning symbol on the cap to highlight the danger of unscrewing the cap when the engine is running or hot. First step is to find out what type of coolant your car needs. There's 3 different kinds, and you can find out which one in your manual or even online. Next up, just like the warning on the cap said, make sure your engine is off and it's nice and cool. Number 3, check the minimum and maximum lines. Most importantly, make sure to use a rag or some protective gloves when unscrewing the reservoir cap. Then all that's left to do is fill it up to the recommended line. But remember, don't overfill, because this can actually cause damage to your car. When it comes to draining and filling your coolant altogether, it can vary depending on the vehicle manufacturer. It's always best to check your vehicle manual, but it tends to be around 30,000 miles. Whether you need to get your coolant changed or you just need some advice, head to EdenTyres.com and we'll be happy to help.